Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our Arabic Madrasa channel. Today we are starting one of the most beautiful Arabic book for beginners, Qasasun Nabiyyin. Qasasun Nabiyyin. Qasas, which means stories. Actually, Qasas is a plural word in Arabic and its singular form is Qissatun, okay, which means story. So Qasasun Nabiyyin, stories of the prophets. And also this book is written by Allama Abul Hasan Ali al-Hasani or Husseini, I think Husseini an-Nadawi rahimahullah ta'ala. And this book is very helpful for beginners, students and all the Arabic lovers who want to learn Arabic from the basic level in an easy and interesting way. In this book we will learn inshallah tabaraka wa ta'ala easy Arabic reading and simple English meaning, okay, and also new Arabic words and beautiful Islamic stories of the Prophet and messengers of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So students, if you want to improve your Arabic step by step, this series will help you a lot inshallah. So let's begin our first lesson. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most kind. Man kasaral asnam. Man, which means who. Kasara yaksiru, which means to break. Al-asnam basically, al-asnam is a plural word in Arabic, okay, and its singular form is sanamun. Okay, sanamun, which means idol. So man kasaral asnam, who broke the idols, okay, who broke the idols. Bayul asnam, you already know what is the meaning of al asnam, okay, al asnam, idols. Bayun, which means seller. So bayul asnam, the seller of idols. Qabla ayyamin kathiratin jidda, many days ago, many days ago. Kana fi qaryatin rajulun mashhurun jidda. Qaryatun, which means village, and rajulun, man. Rajulun mashhurun, jidda, very famous man. So the meaning of the full sentence is there was a very famous man in a village. Wakana ismu hadha rajuli Azaru, and the name of this man was Azar. Wakana Azaru yabiul asnam. Ba yabiu, which means to sell. Wakana Azaru yabiul asnam, and Azar used to sell idols, okay. Wakana fi hadhihi al-qaryati baytun kabirun jidda. Baytun, which means house, kabirun, big. Baytun kabirun, big house. Baytun kabirun jidda, very big house. Wakana fi hadhihi al-qaryati baytun kabirun jidda, and there was a very big house in this village, okay. Wakana fi hadha al-bayti asnamun kathiratun jidda. You already know what is the meaning of al-asnam, and you already know what is the meaning of al-bayt. وَكَانَ فِي هَذَا الْبَيْتِ أَصْنَامٌ. There were idols in this village. أَصْنَامٌ كَثِيرَةٌ جِدًّا. Very many idols. Okay. وكان الناس يسجدون لهذه الأصنام. يسجدون, sajada yasjudu, which means to bow down. Okay, so وكان الناس, nas, which means people. وكان الناس يسجدون لهذه الأصنام, people used to bow down to these idols. وكان آزر يسجد لهذه الأصنام, and Azar also used to bow down to these idols. Okay, and وكان آزر يعبد هذه الأصنام. عبد يعبد, which means worship, to worship. Okay, وكان آزر يعبد هذه الأصنام. Azar used to worship these idols. I hope you understood very well. Thank you for watching. جزاكم الله.